health and wellness travel hack notes. Okay, so do you see this dewiness? Okay, so travel simple, effective morning skin. Okay, this is everything. So I started with these little patches. These Grace and Stella, I got these because they're pre-packaged and my mom literally got them at Costco for me. I have like 100 of these. They're blue, pink, and yellow, energizer, moisturizing, whatever. Okay? And they're everything. So I start there, and my little hot tip is that I put them below first for like 5 minutes, and then I put them up here for another 5 minutes. And let me tell you, walk bam, Leia. Okay, next. Then I go in with this green tea PDRN. I'm obsessed with this bounce booster. Lip and eye serum from Innisfree. Korean skincare. Everybody's talking about it for a reason. And then, we go in with this green tea ceramide milk barrier essence. Super green tea, 9 hyaluronic acid ceramide. This is killing the game. These two things are very inexpensive and outrageously effective. These are my new obsession. Some girl told me to get them at Sephora last week before I went on my little Mexico trip, and I am so happy about it. Now, going back to Target or CVS or Walgreens or whatever is near you, of course you know I love Target. I get the Eucerin Intensive Repair Rich, the heaviest one. So I wouldn't recommend this if you have oily skin. However, if you have dry skin or whatever, this just locks in everything, okay? Then I put on this from Yumi Lashes, which just hydrates my lashes. And then I braid my hair in piggies with these little travel scrunchy, little mini, clear rubber bands. Spray the hell out of my hair with this before and after the braids are in. Now, and I put body moisturizer everywhere. I let all of this sink in for like a half hour. Then I'll eat breakfast, do this, do that, do the other, hang out with my boyfriend. Then I'll go in with my sunscreen on top and just lock it in. Spray sunscreen all over. So now I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna meditate and kick it. I'm taking you with me. Okay, so now we're at Sufi Ocean Club, which has slowly become one of my favorite places. Last night, around the corner from here, is that super cute Italian restaurant. I went on such a fun date with my boyfriend, and it's just only open at night, but this is the Beach Ocean Club during the day. And I've just slowly but surely become obsessed, and you'll see why in a minute. So you can see I dropped my braids. I didn't even sleep in those, and probably because the humidity, my hair is all kinky fab. I lathered myself with Kiehl's. Okay, ready? Boom. I mean, obviously. So I lathered myself with Kiehl's on my face, SPF 50, with collagen peptides, holler. And now I sprayed sunblock all over my skin, but I'm still gonna be in the shade unless I'm swimming, but check this out. So there's one pool up here. There's a restaurant up there, which is fab. And here is this little ocean club, which I love. Love the little cabanas. I was talking to my boyfriend about getting one of those at the house. Would that not be everything? And this is the spot. Beautiful. So naturally, I chose to post up over here. It's as if it has my name right on it. And we're going in. All right, so check out this little cabana scene. Fabulous. I gotta tell you, coming in Punta Nuta when it's like right before the off season and no one's here is my dream. So, here's the tip for skincare while we're kind of like on that whole vibe today. Look at that wave coming in. Yes. Is that sunscreen everywhere? Yes, all the time for anti-aging. But even when you go to hang out in the sun, stay in the shade. You dig? Self-tanner, not too intense. I have like a very light shade on. But I'm not premature aging, thank you. So that is critical. So in this is the little kitchen area. Okay, so in here, I have this that I bring. Number 1, electrolytes. Fabulous. Number 2, my organic stevia to have in my coffee so I'm not drinking sugar or crap. Number 3, Kion aminos. This stuff makes you feel like you can fly, okay? Google it. Next, in the fridge, okay, I have my pre and probiotic, okay? There's also a little travel pack that is like a little ice chamber. This was only a 2-hour flight, so like I got on the flight and like took it right back into the refrigerator. And then I have I take NAD, which is a peptide. I have my vitamin B12, and I have my peptide serum that I take, all in the fridge. Bringing it, getting it done. Always make sure that I have my organic almond milk and try to control as many things as I can to, maintain consistency, healthy skin, hair, nails from the inside out. I usually always have my Pretty Potion coffee, and they have little travel ones, and I was horrified because there was a late shipment of Amazon, but that's okay. I also bring my Truvani protein powder because me and my boyfriend like this. I always know it's like a healthy way to get in like 20 grams of protein. There's a lot of protein pressure these days, but it's true. And so, yeah, those are some more health and wellness hacks that really make a difference when you're on the go. So, fun travels, everybody. Let's go to the beach. So now we decided to come back to the house and just chill. We just went skinny dipping, so fun. And wow, there's somebody paddleboarding way out there. Few boats. The birds up here are wild, but I decided I'm gonna be good and get in like a little 20-minute workout. So when I'm on vacation and I don't have weights or I'm not near a gym, I'll just use like water bottles as my little weights, just a little something, but mostly just gonna do like yoga, Pilates, and just always trying to stay consistent. I haven't worked out in like 3 days, and so just getting a little movement in and a little strength training to just keep it right and keep it tight. So there's always 20 minutes. Like 30 minutes sounds like ugh, but like 20 minutes I can do. So tonight is the opposite of my casual look. This is my more formal date night look. I'm going to the Four Seasons with my boyfriend. I did a little bit more makeup tonight. This is a slip dress my boyfriend got me for my birthday. Very sexy. And these clear shoes, they just make you look so elongated. I'm obsessed. So maybe I'll do another shot and I'll show you guys my makeup. Let me take you on a house tour. Punta Mita, Mexico. So, it's so fun because everyone drives around these little golf carts everywhere, which you can see in my Instagram stories. It's so much fun, but this is decorated with little cha-chas. So you go around the whole community in these and you just charge it up and like, is that so fun? Ooh, the gardeners just got here. Okay, so this is the entrance. And really, how cute. Ooh, gotta take you guys inside. Woo, let's go. Gonna take you on a house tour. Fabulous. So, love the vibe. Beachy, chill, cool. Amazing view overlooking the ocean. We're on a peninsula, so the ocean is over there and the ocean is over there, but I'll take you guys outside in a minute. All this fun, colorful art and a very chill couch. And it's such a cute kitchen scene. And it's been fun. When we got here, we had little guacamole and chips and salsa waiting for us, which was so fabulous. I ate a little too much guacamole while I was here, so I've got to go to the gym. But it's been super fun to make breakfast for my boyfriend and all this. I brought all my healthy stuff. I need another cup of coffee. Okay, so this is the downstairs. Fabulous little dining area. There is one bathroom in here. And then this is also like a master suite, which is fabulous, with an outdoor shower where you can go right here. Love an outdoor shower, right? How fab is this? Moving right along, what I love is that this bathroom is really cool with this whole kind of scene. But where's the lights? So cute. That indoor shower, you can take it right outside around the corner. Bathroom, fabulous, so spacious. And this is the downstairs. Very beachy, very cool. But obviously, the best part is outside. Let's go. Oh. Sorry the gardeners are here, but I gotta show you guys this before we take our act to the beach. So there's little loungies, and these were all rolled up and cute. And this pool is like, it's like a big bathtub. I love it. There's an outdoor shower there too, and a grill. We had so much fun. We had date night in one night and did like steaks and everything, but we've been eating so much good fish here, so that's been awesome and healthy to compensate for my guacamole because that's been excessive. But it's just so pretty here. And my boyfriend's actually doing some business upstairs, so I'll take you up there next and might even include a wardrobe change. Woo woo! Second half of the day, second look, and we're going up. Let me take you on a house tour. I can take you to the third floor. Okay, first of all, there's 2 rooms up here, including the master. This is the little deck where I do my little nighttime dip jacuzzi. This is where I worked out. Fabulous, overlooking the ocean. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, let's go into the good stuff. The temperature change is wild, but I love this. Okay, now, get ready. Get ready for it. Are you ready? How fun and fabulous is this? There's the bed, and there's the view. Absolutely fabulous. Let's pop out so you can see there's the other balcony with the jacuzzi, and let's roll. Fabulous. So that's the digs, and Out there is Sufi, that really cool beach club with the beautiful pool that goes right over to the ocean like it's endless. And a cool dock, and just beautiful moonlight. There's also the other little romantic Italian restaurant we went to, ow, ow, ow. And then, so obviously that's my favorite room of the house. So my boyfriend and I have been loving here. The bed's super comfy. This is the bathroom here. They all have these cool skylights coming down. Very cool, lots of room. Hey. And then here, very beachy, very cool art. Very cool art. But this has become basically the dressing room. This is the other room. Hey, the disaster is a reality, but I have some glam in here, and I'll show you what I'm gonna wear tonight, actually. This is gonna be my date night dress. My boyfriend got me this, so sexy. And these, makes your legs look like they go for miles. Fabulous. And then here is my bathroom that I've taken over. So you can see I create my own little worlds, supplement, skin, like face, body and hair, minimal makeup, hair, overnight curls, didn't use them once. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So now we're gonna get ready and have a fabulous dinner date, and I'll give you guys that look either on this episode or the next one. But until then, look like a mermaid, ride like a pirate. Back in my homeland, thank you. God, I love being a mermaid. So, throughout my trip in any part of the land by the sea, I always try to find heart stones. And it's such a cute gift to give your family and friends. And you guys can see in my BVI episode, I also go hunting for heart stones. So, in an inspirational moment to you, because it's like so authentic to where you were, what you're doing, we're going to go heartstone hunting right now along the fabulous coast of Punta Mita, Mexico. So let's go. Look at this. Interesting. But it has to be in the shape of a heart. Let's see. Mermaiding. So here is one. It can be abstract and funky. We're artists. So here's one that's a good example. Giving that to my mom. You get one for my mom. I always get the most magical shell I can find and give it to my boyfriend. And then I'm going to get one for my bestie. Let's do a little mermaiding. More mermaiding. Oh, and just like that, the sea is calling. Let's jump in. Look like a mermaid, ride like a pirate.